Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the JUNCTION M9 Plus wireless display dongle. So this is basically a Chromecast dongle. The idea is that you attach it to a TV and it will basically turn any TV into a smart TV. And it's a wireless display dongle. It's compatible with Wi-Fi, AirPlay, Cloud, and also Miracast. Do we have any more information? No, that's more or less it. It comes with a Core X-A9 CPU, 1.2 GHz CPU, and has 128 MB of RAM. That's all the information we have on the box. I will open this and show you what's inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside this box. There seems to be something over here. Let's see, yeah. Oh, so there's a display window and you can see what this particular dongle looks like. Okay, so this is what the M9 dongle looks like. On this end you have a HDMI jack, and on the other end you have a micro USB charging port for when you want to charge this device. There's an LED indicator over here as well, and it's written Mira screen right over here. Okay, there's a button over here. This seems to be the reset button. Let's quickly take a look what other things we can find inside the box before anything else. So there's a charging cable, and there's a document as well. I will take out the document through here. This is it. This is what you will find inside the box. You have a user manual, wireless display, bring smartphone entertainment to the big screen, all the instruction, do's and don'ts, troubleshooting, how to set up for iOS, how to set up for Android, how to set up for Mac OS, etc. Hardware installation. Everything that you want to know is listed over here. You should read this. You should read this very carefully. And this is of course the micro USB charging cable that you use to charge this particular device. And finally, once again, this is the M9 Plus display dongle from JUNCTION. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the JUNCTION M9 Plus wireless display dongle. Thank you for watching.